Hello, our fellow food enthusiasts, beautiful viewers, subscribers and fans out there. You are all welcome to our wonderful channel. We are thrilled to share with you a recipe for a scrumptious Victoria sandwich. We will be sharing the simple and easy ways of preparing Victoria sandwich from scratch. So, sit back, relax and enjoy as it unfolds. Now the first way. First off, we need to prepare our ingredients. We'll need 200 grams of softened butter, 200 grams of castor sugar, as well as 4 eggs and 200 grams of self-rising flour. Now, combine the butter and sugar in a bowl using an electric whisk on high speed. Once they're nicely combined, add the eggs one by one at a medium speed. After that, add the flour and mix until everything is well blended. Next up, pour the mixture into 2 8-inch sandwich cake tins and pop them into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes. Keep an eye on them and make sure they don't overcook. While our cakes are cooling down, it's time to whip up some cream for our sandwich filling. You'll need about 450 milliliters of double cream and 150 grams of raspberry jam. Combine these ingredients with your electric whisk until you have a gorgeous raspberry cream filling. Finally, once our cakes are completely cooled down, it's time to assemble our Victoria sandwich. Spread half of your raspberry cream over one cake, then place the other cake on top. Easy peasy. Now the second way. Let's kick things off by sifting our flour and sugar together. Once that's done, it's time to add in our key ingredients, eggs and vanilla extract, and give it all a good mix. Now, we'll add our butter into parts to ensure a smooth blend. And finally, we'll pour in some milk to bring it all together. Moving on to the baking process. Preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius and grease your cake tins. Then, divide the batter evenly between the tins and pop them into the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Once they're done, let them cool before you add your filling. For the filling, whip some double cream until it forms soft peaks and then spread it evenly over one half of the cake. Add some strawberry jam on top of the cream and then sandwich the other half of the cake onto it. And voila! You've got yourself a stunning Victoria sandwich. And there you have it, a delightful Victoria sandwich all prepared from scratch. I hope you enjoyed this cooking tutorial and perhaps even gave it a go yourself. If you enjoyed watching, please subscribe as subscription is free and doesn't cost money. Like, share, comment, watch recommended videos on your screen and tap notifications bell so that you would be notified whenever we upload videos. Have you subscribed now? Please subscribe as it doesn't cost money. Thank you for watching. Good luck as you prepare your own Victoria sandwich. Let us know how it goes and see you in our next video. Goodbye.